Imagine a mindset that helped emperors stay calm during war. A philosophy followed by warriors, poets, and even modern CEOs. That mindset is called Stoicism. Let's get to know what is this. Section 1. What is Stoicism? Stoicism is a 2,000-year-old philosophy, born in ancient Greece, practiced by Roman emperors, and still incredibly powerful today. At its core, Stoicism teaches one thing. You don't control what happens to you. You only control how you respond. It's about mastering yourself, not the world. It's about calm over chaos, reason over reaction, discipline over distraction. Section 2. Why it matters today. In today's world, we're overstimulated. Opinions everywhere. Distractions non-stop. Everyone wants to be heard, but no one knows how to be still. We're chasing likes, followers, validation. But Stoicism says, let it go. Control your emotions. Choose your response. Find strength in stillness. Section 3. The wisdom. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor, and a Stoic once said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. That's not just a quote. That's a survival guide. Everyday stress, social media pressure, overthinking, all of it can fade when you learn to think like a Stoic. This is Stoic Flow, a place where ancient wisdom meets modern chaos. Here you'll learn how to think clearly, live calmly, and act with quiet power. If this resonates with you, subscribe. And let's begin the journey to mental mastery together. Before going, just remember this thing. Stoicism isn't about being emotionless. It's about being emotionally bulletproof.